If you ever need to make a flat spot for your cat in the snow, just use your Jeep and your cat will be happy. Are you happy, cat? Test out the front bumpers, test out the rock sliders, see if they do their job or not. See if this Jeep can drive over this or not. Should be able to. We'll see. have to say that's success. Made it over the piles. They don't look any worse for wear. Yeah, looks all right. There you have it. Jeep's pretty good off-roaders. As you can see, the skid plates do their job. They flattened off the entire top of the snowbank, so I don't have anything dragging through. There's no deep grooves or ruts from it. Oh, there's my cat. She helped me do this test. She was watching, make sure the snowbank went down and it's flat. Is the snowbank flat now? Yeah, no, the snowbank is flat. Check out my cat's ass. Yeah, I made a perfect spot for her to roll around on the flat spot. So anybody that's following along, if you need to make a flat snow spot for a cat, just use your Jeep and your cat will be happy. If you have, oh, are you leaving? Is it not good enough? It must be cold, eh? So yeah, Jeeps are good for flattening snowbanks. It's a good truck for getting around fairly economically and still get over a fairly large snowbank. It's not a super tiny snowbank. You can see that. It was a lot higher when I first went over it. Gonna have to give them a good undercoating still around the whole bottom edge once we're finished the truck. We'll go from there. So at the end of the day, Jeep will probably get you home. A pretty decent vehicle for their off-road capabilities, obviously. Thanks for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and I appreciate your interest and your following along.